By the way, I closed one position at break even.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, if this 1 hour break the low, I'm getting out. Because I took it based on the H1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, dead.
So.
That's usually a winner, like an easy
Oh,
winner.
it was a winner. It was
Yeah.
it was like at 9.8 pips.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So that's why I'm not letting this turn into a loser, right? So that's why I took out one of my position at break even.
Okay, edge is breaking the low now on the 30 as well.
Yeah, so now this one's completely out. So basically I secure 25% at 9 point-ish pips. And now I close this one, so I'm pretty much break even with this trade. So yeah, I'm actually not much. I'm actually like, phew, a big $20 up. Sweet! I can eat McDonald's. Yeah, too bad.
McDonald's, dans mon coin McDonald's, c'est 2-3 piastres.
Too bad. So yes, was in a trade, and went to 9 point ips profit. So yeah, I consider that as a win. So that was a pretty good trade. That was based on H1, and now it's coming back down. So let's see now if we can form support lower and push back up and retest that new high that just got formed, right? So and GA was amazing. GA was perfect. It was break, classic retest, nice support form with no wick at the bottom. Boom, 15 pips. So that was pretty good. So welcome guys joining YouTube. This is a special stream today. Many people requested it since I think Raja is not doing one. So I got tons of message that people were asking. So ask the students and people say, yeah, we should do it. So Zoom is only with students, but we're gonna give you access to what we do today. So FX like Mike and the Gulag, what's up with that, bro? What's up? What's up, bud? All right, so let's fix this here.
In GA.
Yeah, GA was pretty good. GA was very nice. Like 15 pips, bam, right away. All right. YouTube today, no Zoom. Oh yes, now Zoom is since this week, Zoom is only students. But yeah, and technically I'm not streaming on Wednesday, but I got tons of message that people wanted to stream since Raja was not doing one. So let's just hang out all together, right? So today TP Sasha, yes. I closed 25% at 9.8 pips because we had a big problem breaking this. But yeah, the entry was right here. Hold on. What based on H1 and was right here. So final TP was the wick of this fill, but of course 9.8 pips were met with spread. So take out the spread, add my 10 pips. So that's pretty good. First trade of the day, like pretty much break even, I should say, because this came down to my entry and closed one position in full at break even. and the other one minus 4 pips, but my win was 25% on 9 point-ish pips, so a little bit more than break even. Nothing exciting though. It's too bad. Too bad, so sad. And that's me being not stupid, but being like a kid. You know, I placed my line. I was like, I want to hit that line. You know, so I was at 9.8. I can just do close full, secure all my profits. You know, but instead I'm watching it and I want it to hit my line, right? So, what the hell? Okay. So yeah, that's, you know, when trading become like a game, it's just like,
Man, GG, don't.
yeah, she just coming down.
Going to support though.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh. No, I think GA reversed too, and come on. Okay, calm down.
Yeah, that makes sense. La 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 la. All right. Let's see what we can get here. Gee, it was beautiful also. All right, so since we have tons of new people here on YouTube, in 2 minutes I'm gonna redo the top-down analysis. And let's see. Hi, Sasha from the Gulag. Hi there. Why isn't Raja doing a stream? I don't know. You gotta ask him. I have a runner from yesterday at 148,640. 148,640. 148,640. Oh man, you are running good. Shit, boy, good job. Sasha, would you consider any trades since budget is being announced? Well, that's the thing. I was looking at it, and we don't have any time for that news release, so it was kind of effy, right? So, but yes, we'll see. Hey, morning, man. Morning, Ironman. Let's all leave a like. Michelle. Oh, thank you, Michelle. Yes. Yes, guys. If you can give it a like, that'll be very appreciated. So again, this morning's a special stream. I had many messages for people asking for a stream today, because usually I don't stream on Wednesday, right? I only stream with my students. But I think Raja's not doing one, so a lot of people wanted to stream. So here we go. Here we go. So we do one just to help you guys out. I mean, hopefully we can help you out. Morning, dogs. Morning, Michael. I think should be around 12:31 p.m. GMT. Okay. Because when I was looking at it, it was saying anything between 5 and 8:15 a.m. Eastern. So I don't know. Sasha, can you post the Zoom link on Slack? Oh no, sorry, because now the Zoom is just Zoom is now only students. Sorry, man. Thank you for the stream, dog. Thank you. Yeah, and like I said, I'm only doing it because Raja is not there, and I received like, I don't know, dozen message. So yeah. All right, so let's do it. All right, so this is GJ, right? So let's go to the monthly. All right, so let's start with this. So looking at the monthly right now, bro, today London session was too good. Oh, awesome, man. All right, so looking at the daily, not daily, sorry. Phew, too early, man. Looking at the monthly. So looking at the monthly, there's nothing much to say except that the fact that we are, mostly bullish. This new candle is already pretty big on the monthly. and it's only the 3rd of the month, right? So, but so far, I mean, nothing much exciting here on the monthly. So let's jump into the weekly. Weekly, same idea. I mean, we are trending bullish pretty hard. And yeah, so let's jump to the daily. All right, so daily. So daily, you see, I mark my daily resistance here. Daily resistance here. To remember that this is a strong level. I put it on my QP just to remember. And this daily resistance come from the left side here. So it's somewhere around here. Where is it? It was right here. This one. Jeez, did I miss it? Hold on, let's put this all smaller. Easier like this. Yeah, right here, this one. So anyways, so I put it over there. And this is also a nice wick fill on the daily also. So now let's jump on 4 hours. And GG is mostly bullish, right? So on 4 hours yesterday with students, we were talking about something that we were waiting and never happened. So it actually happened today. If you look here, let me grab an arrow. So if you look on 4 hours, you got this coming down, coming up, coming down, and what you got this double bottom. You can grab entry around there. And I think price should continue up. Again, I don't trade based on that. This is just a hint on the market. And yeah, so let's clear all this. So basically now looking at price action, I mean, we create support right here on H4, close nice engulfing candle right here. So I think now we're getting a retest of this zone and we should continue up after that. So this is how I see it. Let's go to, let's go to 1 hour. Jesus, 1 hour, let's go. So looking at 1 hour, it was beautiful. Grab a buy on 1 hour. We have a break of this zone, classic break and retest. This candle came, retest. This candle closed nice, huge engulfing candle, creating support. Took an entry right here, went to 9.8 pips profit, secured 25%. And one of the position I closed at break even, the other one on -4 pips. So it was pretty much a break even trade. It was a little bit in profit, but not much. Yeah, so it was I would consider that as a small win, you know, because for me break even is still a win because I manage my trade. And yeah, so now I'm just waiting to see what we can do. Can we form support around here to retest this new high that's being formed? So that's my idea. 30 minutes, same idea. So just price was ranging here, so now price decided to come back down in this area. Of course, if we break this zone, there's no buy possible at this time. There's no sell either. I'm not going to be looking at sells here on GJ. I'm going to wait for great opportunity to look for buys, and that's it, you know. So now just got to wait for support. Now looking at GA, GA is my second pair that I look at. GA, same idea. You know, looking at the monthly, I mean, this gap got filled here on the monthly last month. This month opened pretty much at the same price, so that was good. So far, this candle is being bearish, but if you look, the last month closed bullish, breaking the high. So far, this candle respected previous low, respected previous high. So at this stage, this month, we don't know yet, but technically should continue up, right? Looking at the weekly, I mean, same idea here. Didn't break previous high, didn't break previous low, so gotta wait for long-term trade on this one. Now starting looking at the daily. Daily now form a new high, so now price coming down to probably retest that high. So we gotta wait and see that again. But on a short-term trade, I'm looking at H4. And if you look at H4, I mean, H4 made a new high, came back down, and if you look on H4, respected the safety net here as 764, and now we're forming support in that golden zone. So for H4, so now waiting This candle broke previous high, rejected, closed back almost in this range. Next candle, next 4 hours, broke previous high and rejected it. So it's kind of tricky right now. But when I came to the chart, it's too bad I missed it. But this buy idea was perfect on the 30 minutes. So we had a huge range here on GA. Finally at 4 a.m. this candle broke, retest, formed support with a nice wick to fill and went straight 15 pips profit. So no drawdown. So I think that was perfect. That was perfect. Just too bad because I was looking at GJ and yeah. But if I would have looked at this, I would have taken this for sure. It's my kind of trade. I like it. So yeah, so that's what I'm seeing now for GJ and GA. And guys, we got over 200 people here, so we should be getting at least 100 likes. We had sitting at 53 right now. So let me grab that smash button here. All right, smash that like button. All right, come on, guys. Let's get on the bullish run for likes. Morning, Sasha. First time sending a chart. What do you think about my gold setup? Oh, okay. Let's take a look at this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chat is going wild suddenly. Oh, let's start with mic chart here. I didn't see that on Zoom. Sorry, bud. Sorry, bud. Why I'm not able to click on this? Here we go. So that is coming from Mike. This is GA. Create support, entry. Oh, here we go. I knew one of our dog would catch this one. Awesome.
Nice trade, buddy. Damn.
Nice trade.
C'était pas mal meilleur que moi puis Sasha matin.
Nice trade. So it went to your 10, 11 pips. Secure 80% probably and let the rest run, right? So very good. Very good. Very good. Awesome, Mike. Good job, man. Okay, so now let's take a look at this gold setup. All right, so this is gold 30 minutes. Sell here. Trade taken. Oh, let me remove that smash button. All right, here we go. Trade taken based on strong bearish candle and wick fills on a higher time frame. Yeah, makes sense, man. Because if you look, so this is my zone from yesterday. So let's remove that. But what time did you took it though? For me, like here, I would wait for a break and retest here. Especially on 5 minutes, I would wait for this to come back up a little bit, create resistance, and shoot back down. But I think your trade was good too. I just, with gold, I like an extra confirmation. Because gold is just like, phew. Gold is wild. Gold is super, super, super wild. What time is it now? 6:50. This is the 5 minute. All right, 30 minute, 15 minute. All right, so we're rejecting now this golden zone, and we are forming support on 1 hour. On 1 hour. What am I saying? 5 minutes. Jesus, way too early. All right, so let's see here. Do we have anything else coming up here? Sasha, first time. Okay, see that. Is this on loop? On loop? What do you mean on loop? Sorry, man. Um, is this on loop? Oh, the animation. Oh yes, it was on loop. Um, do you know something about the GPP news? No, nothing. News should release in about 45 minutes. Oh, okay, nice. Nice. Man, I'm trying to follow the chat here. It's going crazy. What happened to Wix on Live today? I don't know. You gotta ask him. Um, where's Raja? Again, I don't know, guys. Ask Raja where he is. I'm not in his. I'm not in his short, right? So I don't live with him. We talk pretty much like every day or so, but I didn't know. Actually, I didn't know. I didn't talk to him yesterday. Um, Hello, Sasha. I lost today. The straight risk was managed well, but I want to know why price didn't move on my direction. Okay, let's take a look at this. Copy. All right, so let's see here. This is GJ 15 minutes. Right away, 15 minutes for me, it's super tricky. Yeah, you see, you got this. Hold on, wait a second. Price made a high, price retrace formed support. Entered when support was formed after new candle made a low. So you enter on that bearish candle? Oh, you enter on the retracement. Oh, I see. Close 50% after the price continued to drawdown for minus 5 pips, 4.5 pips. Close full position on break even. Okay. So at least, yeah, you manage your risk. But again, for me, 15-minute is a weak confirmation time frame. So if you had waited for that 30-minute or that 1 hour, you will not been getting fake out. So look on this 1 hour. Look at this. This is your candle that actually got you out. So this is the breaking candle, retest candle, support form, boom, entry, right? Very basic, very basic. Nothing fancy about this strategy, nothing crazy. I didn't invent anything. It's just like basic stuff, right? Sometimes it's good to come back to basics. Okay, so Charles Lee, come down there. Okay, let's see here. I'm waiting for Bruno. Thanks, Sasha. You're welcome. Someone says look for oil to spike with bumping. I don't know. I don't know any shit about oil, to be honest. So I'm not gonna try to pretend I know. I'm not that kind of guy. I don't know. So I'm not gonna even try. Bonjour Sacha, peux-tu me donner le nom de l'indicateur que tu utilises pour compter les pips dans MT4? Ça vient avec le Magic Key, mais je l'ai aussi parce que c'est moi qui l'ai donné à Magic Key. Donc tu peux m'envoyer un DM avec ton courriel, puis je vais te l'envoyer par courriel, mais il marche seulement sur MT4. Ok, donc bien important, si tu utilises MT5, ça ne marchera pas. Question time. Okay. For you, obviously don't watch these. Okay. Thoughts on this GJ setup? Thanks, bro. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look, baby. Let's take a look. GJ, 15 minutes. You want to sell? Yeah, no. Not a good idea. I mean, it might work, but I'm not looking for sell. Why you want to sell into a huge bullish trend? Doesn't make sense. I'm not saying it's not going to work. I'm just saying it goes against my rules. So I will not be taking a sell in this situation here. Don't forget, guys, it's not because one candle print the opposite direction that suddenly we have a change of direction, right? So it's really important to understand that. I mean, we are still trending. If you're having a hard time understanding the trend, okay, it's really simple. Okay, you go from, let's say you put your chart like this. Okay, look to your left where price is. Is it lower than to the right? Yes. So now you can understand you are in a bullish trend, right? So basic. If you have a hard time seeing it, you can also put a line kind of like this, who cares? Just to understand the trend, right? I don't use trend lines, right? But I mean, this just give you an idea that we are trending up, right? We're not trending down. So for me, I'm just waiting for support to be formed right around here. And I'm going to be looking at retesting this high. All right, so let's see here. Let's see. Ted is in big trouble. Doesn't very much. He's in trouble with the yeah, no, I don't think so. Sir, what's your lot size? And also tell us what lot size we have to trade. And now I'm trading in. Okay, so first thing first, if you're asking what lot size you should trade, you should not be trading. And this is really, really important, guys. I mean, if you're asking about that, this is basic stuff, right? So before you invest any money in the market, invest money in yourself, and invest time in yourself. So you need to find, you can find some free education. There's tons of video on YouTube. And also you can go into this magic website right here, babypips.com right here. And this is completely free. And I always highly recommend, actually, even people sign up in my course. In my introduction video, it actually says, if you didn't read babypips.com, the first two chapter, which is kindergarten and what's the name of the other one? Kindergarten and I can't remember which one it was, but kindergarten and something else. And anyways, I can't remember which one is it. But the first two chapter, pause the video right now and go read that. Okay, because we need to speak the same language. So first thing first, before investing any money in the market, make sure you go there. Make sure you watch some free videos, and after that, try to find someone that you click with that can coach you and help you out. There's tons of people out there. Just find the right person for you and go ahead, right? You should not be investing money in the market if you didn't invest in yourself. This is the first thing, and that's in anything in life. Invest in yourself first, because all the skills and the learnings you're gonna learn, nobody can take it out from you. It's money invested in you. So if you have $1,500, man, put some money aside and invest in yourself before putting money in the market. Because I'm telling you, I don't want to get you discouraged, but if you're not putting time in investing in yourself first, that $1,500, you're not going to be seeing it anymore. It's going to disappear. Boom, gone in the market, right? So there are some people who's going to make it, but there's a very, very, very small percentage of people who's going to do it by themselves. It's like trying to say to someone, hey, man, go win the gold medals at any sports without any coach. I mean, good luck. Just like good luck. So anyways, this is just my thought. Okay, so let's see here. Do you look at what candles are forming like dojo and tweezers, or just support and resistance? Dojo? Who the hell is dojo?
Doji, peut-être.
Doji? Oh, forming like doji and tweezers? Oh, no, okay, no. No, I don't really look at candle patterns. The only candle patterns I look is the engulfing one. Because for me, it's one of the confirmation that we have like buyish pressure or bullish pressure. Yeah, bullish or bearish pressure, right? So, um, hello, Sasha, new subscriber. Oh, thank you very much, Trader Bana. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, guys, almost 500 people here, so make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so next time we go live. I'm actually going live tonight. I was not supposed to be live today. I'm only doing it because I had got tons of requests from a lot of people since they have no stream today. So I'm doing it. But technically, I was not supposed to be live this morning, but I'm supposed to be live tonight for an episode of Forex Talk over beer. So this is a concept that basically I just open up a beer with you guys. We're just chit-chatting, going to Q&As, and I'm gonna break down trades that we took this week. So tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern. By the way, if you want the schedule, it's actually on my right here. So because sometimes people ask me what time I go live. I mean, if you go to my here on the banner, you got the schedule right here, right? So you can see that. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications if you want to know when. All right, so let's see here. Here, what else? Trying to get up to date with the chat here, but the chat is a little crazy. Shit. Okay. So let's see here. What else we got? Hello, Sasha. You have any idea how can we track our daily drawdown in funding talent? Is there any plugin on MT4? Oh, no. I don't know anything about that. There's clean movement to the left on GJ, potentially be mirrored. Yes. Yeah, guys. I mean, if you're starting some shit up on the chat, I'm telling you, I'm gonna close that stream. So I'm just this is, I don't know if any other people tolerate that. I'm here just to help out and just to have fun here. So if you want to spread some rumors or bullshit, and I don't want anyone to get into arguing in the chat. This is not the goal. I don't think anyone's a kid here, and if you are, you should not be here, so please leave, right? Thank you very much. Thank you, Iron Man, for getting my back here. I just want the chat to be clean, right? So ask question, ask something that is valuable for the community, because I'm doing it this morning for the community, right? I'm just doing it trying to help people. So all right, so let's see here. Getting some rejection on GU. Yeah, maybe Max, send your chart. I'm gonna be looking at it for sure. Ayman, do you think this last candle is connected to the news? Maybe. Can you please let me know your opinion? All right, let's check. Copy. All right, so here, this is GJ 1 hour. Save by at the break of 149. Save by resistance is formed on H1 key level. No trade zone. 10 pips sell if candle close below. Yeah, I would not be looking at sells. But it might work, but the problem is you're getting in this shit area here. So you don't want to be trading in this. You want room, yeah? You want room. And you know that you're getting at a support right now, so why you want to sell a low? So wait. This is basic. You want to you want to buy low and sell high, right? So you trade, hold on, wait a second. You trade only GJ or all pairs? Trade GJ and sometimes GA. Is he doing a favor? Oh, okay. Good morning, Sasha. Took this trade on GJ on pre-London. Would you take a look? Thank you. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Man, first I need to stand up because my ass is getting hurt. All right. All right, so let's do this. Here we go. All right, so let's see here. We got resistance here, support. That was pre-London, right? Okay. Candle close back above support resistance being formed. Fake out, execute buy, SL 10 pips. Lower. Final TP. Oh, that's good, man. When price reach out because I don't know if it'll be rejected or not. Oh yeah, I think that's smart. That's actually smart that you secure some profit right here because that's sometimes people forget that. They forget to secure some profits. When you get to resistance, you never know if it's going to be broken or not. So I think this here was the smartest thing you can do. You know, I mean the safest thing. I don't know if it's the smartest, but the safest thing to do, it's to secure some profits right here. Move your stop to break even because you don't know if it's gonna reverse or not. And your final TP right here, that's pretty good. I think you can, once you pass that 250 line, I think you can expect price to visit the next QP, which is at 500. So I think you would have secured a little bit more, but I think that's pretty good, man. Good job. So let's see here. All right, Forex for family, you're just about to get banned. So, good call, Sasha. Take a hike. Yeah, okay. Sasha, close that. The chat, bro. Okay. Let's see here. Guys, I know I probably missed some questions here, but the chat is too wild. The Zoom chat for Market Fully Slack members. Yeah, no, sorry guys. And I would not be able to get everyone because I upgraded the Zoom for that 1 week when Raja was gone, and now it's limited to 100 because I don't need the 500 now. I mean yet. So that's why it's only students right now. Thank you. No, not biased on sales either, but looking for both option and reaction. Okay, perfect. Man, I love this trader community. If Raja is not there, there's Sasha or other trader. Oh, thanks, man. Thank you. Waiting for retest. Yes, I'm actually waiting for that support now. Amanda, do you live in France? I live in Montreal, Quebec. So if you have any question in French, donc si tu as des questions en français, gêne-toi pas. Tu peux poser tes questions en français aussi. Ça va me faire plaisir de vous aider. Tu connais un bon livre en français sur le trading? J'essaie d'apprendre le français en ce moment. Il n'y a pas vraiment de bon... De toute façon, il n'y a pas vraiment de bons livres sur le trading en partant. Donc déjà à la base, il n'y a pas vraiment beaucoup de livres en trading qui sont bons. Donc je te suggérerais peut-être des livres de croissance personnelle, peut-être en français, parce que des livres sur le trading sont pas fantastiques. Let's see here. Let me try to find out here. Hey Sasha, good morning. Can you please check my analysis here on GJ for more me enter with enough confirmation? Thank you. Okay, let's try to look. Let's try to look. Alright, so this is GJ 30 minutes. Ideal buys above 150, 500. 25 pips. Okay. I can see, yeah. Buy. I don't think it's an ideal buy above 150, 500. I think you want to buy lower, right? Because here, if you buy the high, you don't know if it's going to reverse. So yes, if you get a nice support form, yes, you can expect price to continue up. But I think there's room in this place here to grab your entry, and even maybe you can scale it out. Maybe you can take like 0.5% here and another 0.5 here if you want. But I think waiting just for a break of resistance, I think you're losing on a good opportunity here. But this is just my thought. Again, not saying I have the absolute truth, I'm not that kind of guy. And yeah, so why I do not share my profits? Oh, on IG, because it's stupid. Really simple. No, the one of the reason is here in Quebec they are really strict on showing profits in any investment kind of business. Actually, we got people that went into a TV show just recently. The authority actually kind of went after them because some of them showed profits and were actually telling people that they can make money and blah blah blah. So, and the other reason also, maybe a year ago I was showing my profits, and I got into a shitstorm with friends and family. People get jealous. People kind of ask you for money, and so, and to be honest, I have nothing to prove, so I don't give a shit. I'm not doing this for anyone else than me. So that's something you will never see me on my IG do, is flexing shit. So I think if you're flexing shit, you just, maybe your mom or dad didn't give you love enough when you were a kid. I don't know. I don't know. But I got nothing to prove. Smash a like, guys. Let's make Sasha dance again. Oh yeah. Thanks, Kissin. Is trading allowed in French? Oh yes, of course. Hey Sasha, you definitely have seen the trader Sammy. Oh yeah, Sammy lives like 30 minutes from me. Yes, definitely. Actually took one of his course. I missed gold. Actually, didn't took it myself. One of my friends took it, and we actually went over the course all together. But yeah, I missed the gold retest. Okay. Bro, Raja never speak his language. That's his choice. That's his choice. The chat things. Sasha is Raja. Raja, how would you know where Raja? I don't know. Let's see. What time is it now? 7:15. Okay. Man, there's so many messages. It's crazy. Raja trades breakouts. Yes, but he doesn't only trade breakouts. What else? All right. So I'm guessing Raja is a flexer. Makes sense. No, he never flexed anything. He actually went into showing his profit, and the reason why is because I know back then, a couple of years ago, I think people were I don't know, challenging him about something, and I don't know, he wanted to prove them that it was profitable doing 10 pips a day, and that was his thing. He wanted to prove it, and that's okay. I don't think it's wrong. I think that's actually good if you want to prove a point, and since he actually did it, nobody else needs to do it because he actually proved that he's able to be profitable doing like 10 pips a day, right? So I think that's something he wanted to prove to the community, and he did it. So that's good. And that's him. Every person is different. Sasha speaking facts. Oh, thanks. How many likes to have you dance? I don't know. Can we get to 400 likes? Let's aim 400. Let's double this. 400 likes. I'm gonna start to dance. Shit. All right. Sasha said your parent didn't love you. Yeah, man. No love. Dude is straight reaching. Oh, thanks, man. Sasha, are you using Trader's Domain as your broker? No, my broker is in the description. Is Black Bull Market. So Black Bull Market is the way to go on my end because I live in Canada, and they also interact transfer, meaning that I can send money by email and it takes literally 2 minutes and it's my trading account, so it's perfect. Perfect. So let's see here. Your internet connection is unstable. What the hell? All right. Pretty good swing trader is Sammy. Oh yes, he is. Yeah, he is. I don't think that Sasha meant Raja, but other IG guru with showing only profits. Yes. Well, most of the time, the thing is they don't even. Some of them show profits, but the problem is they only show their profits. They don't show their losses, their loss, and they're flexing their Lambos and, just like they got Lambos and they live in a shack, right? So it's just like, what the hell, dude? It's like there should be a rule that you're not allowed having a car that is worth more than your house. Just doesn't make sense. That's in my book. I know one guy here in Quebec that actually has a Lambo and lives in a shack. So I mean, just doesn't make sense. Have you met George St. Pierre? No, I didn't. Never met George. I saw him at an event, but it was something for they were getting money for something. It was a special event. It was like somewhere in the room, but never met him. All right, here I have a stupid question. First, there's no stupid question. Well, no, there can be some stupid question, but what's your heart rate when you are in an open trade? I don't know. That's a good question. If it was like maybe a year ago, my heart rate was probably like super fast, probably like, because I was stressed. I was not sure. I was not sure about my confluence, my confirmations. I was not sure on the direction of the market. But I think when you know what to look for in the market, and you know exactly how much you're gonna lose if you lose, I think there's no reason to be stressed. So now I'm just chilling. Just like if I get the loss, I get the loss. I know exactly how much I'm gonna lose, and it is what it is. So I don't. Yeah, I'm pretty chill about it. You sound like you blew your account. Oh, you talking about the guy previously? Maybe. Focus on trading, folks. Yeah, thank you. Ironman is giving the whip here. Thank you, man. Trader FX. Why are you here? Oh, okay, perfect. Are you dancing today? Maybe if we get to 400 likes, maybe I'm gonna start dancing. Thanks for coming live today. We really miss Raja Boss. Okay, Thank you, thank you. I'm probably way more profitable than you since you're getting buttered. Oh, relax, but nobody is aiding here. I have the right to ask a question. Yeah, perfect. That's good. Um, here we go. Here we go. Here. Let's see here. QBank's been keeping most of his trading profits in BTC since like the okay, good for him. Um, I like that. I like the comment from Iron Man here. I can give Trader FX a mental health examination if anyone thinks it will help. Maybe you should book an appointment. Hey Sasha, do you trade gold? No, I don't trade gold, but I can take a look at it. Oops. All right, let's take a look at. Let's take a look. What is a trend session? Oh, okay. Mike, you almost scared me here in the Zoom. You almost scared me with that question. I'm late. I just saw it. Sorry. All right, so let's take a look here. Gold, 15 minutes. No trade range. Break above. Break above. 1730. May see continuation to 1735. No feeling buys though. Sells on break 1720. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. 720. You said 720? Oh yeah, here. Oops. Let's try to see something here. Come on. So here we add that, oh, almost. And if you look here and boom. Yeah, so I think on gold, that's something I'm looking at is I get this fib either on the 30-minute or 15-minute. I go back on 5-minute and trying to see possible entry here. So I think if we can form resistance here, I think that's can be good, and we can retest that low here on gold. So yeah, so that's something I would look at. All right, so let's see here. What kind of Porsche do you? Oh, what kind of Porsche do you have? My dream car. Oh, I don't have a Porsche. Look at this. Look, that's where everyone's gonna find me boring. Look at this. This is my Porsche and my Lambo. Wait a second. It's coming up, guys. It's coming up. It's where can I go? Let's do RV 2021. Let's do this. All right, so this is my Porsche and my Lambo. I can actually probably can buy 2 or 3 Lambos with this one. So yeah, so this is it, guys. So this is my Porsche. This is my Lambo. It's not mine. This the one I want, you know. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at. I don't give a shit about Porsche and Lambos, and I think they're dumb. It's nice if you collection them, and I think it's nice if you're at a point that you have income coming in, like residually, and that pays for your car. But I think it's dumb to have a car without any investment, that's worth that much money, you know. So, yep. And plus, I had all those luxury cars before, you know. So when I was young and dumb with my money, I had a 650M package. I had this. My winter car was a Mercedes C240 4MATIC. I had Audi A4. I had a Cadillac. I had what else? I had this. Oh, I had a Beamer. I hate that Beamer. Oh, I had a small Beamer. But that 650M package was pretty dope. But I sold it. I think was like maybe 2 months after, 3 months after. I hated it. In the curves, it was like it's just horrible, horrible, horrible. So, anyways, yeah. So, anyway, so I had all those things, and to be honest, it was just dumb. It was just dumb. I should have done so much. Should have done smarter thing with my money. Um, um, where the hell am I in the chat? J'hésite à prendre la formation de Samy. Que conseilles-tu? Perso, je trouve que c'est comment je dirais bien ça? Je crois que c'est pas je crois pas que c'est un système qui est duplicable. Donc, je crois pas que c'est n'importe qui peut trader la façon qu'il trade. Il est basé beaucoup sur les fondamentales. Si tu regardes ces charts, tu vas rien comprendre. C'est de l'art abstrait. Donc, personnellement, j'ai quand même pris certaines affaires, mais pour le prix que ça coûte, je suis pas sûr que je conseillerais quelqu'un de le prendre. Mais ça, c'est juste mon opinion personnelle. Um, let's see.
Puis aussi, une affaire que c'est pas tout le monde qui comprend, c'est qu'il n'y a pas juste une manière de trader puis d'analyser des charts dans le market. Là. Il y a plusieurs styles puis il y a plusieurs trucs qui fonctionnent. Là.
Exact, exact. Absolument. So when you're trading, you're only looking for support and resistance? No, I got a couple tools that I teach, that I use, but you know, I just need to use it at the right time and the right place, right? Where can we see your Oh, okay. We're talking about trader FX. Okay, I will tell you how to trade problem. All right, all right, all right. Blum, 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 blum. My first time on your stream. Tell us more about you, how you got to this point. How many years have you been trading? How was the beginning? Where did you learn from? Any advice for newbies like me? Okay. Oh, first thing first, let's pause this for a second. Let me see what's happening here with GJ first. Let's go back to 30 minutes here. Let's see. Still got this thing coming bearish. 1 hour bearish. What about GA? GA came down also. Alright, so at this stage, gotta wait for another. I would like to see this one close like this and next one close bullish, create support, and I'll be taking a buy, giving my trade a second chance. Alright, so to answer this question, my first time. Okay, so tell us a bit about you. What can I say? I started around, I think it was 2018 when I got really interested into Forex, but got really serious about it. I think it was like 2 years ago. Started to study very, very hard, backtesting very hard, taking many, many courses. I invested in myself a little bit more than $10,000 in courses and different stuff that I needed to trade with. And yeah, since then, I mean, been to many courses. Went from either Sammy, Q Banks, Ryan Gilpin, Raja. I mean, I got tons of courses. So basically, what I did is I grabbed a little bit of everything and I did my own recipe, right? My own salad, kind of. So I grabbed some ingredient there and there, came back, did my own salad, and that's what I teach to my students. So I want to trying to help them save time and money, because invested a lot in spending a lot of time in those courses. So I grabbed everything that was working for me, and that's the only thing I kept. I dropped all the rest. So that's pretty much it, I guess. And advice for newbies: make sure you invest in yourself. Make sure you invest in yourself first before investing in the market. This is the best thing. Journal your trade. So you should definitely journal your trade. This is one of the tool I highly recommend. This is a trading journal. So mine is public, so the link is in the description of that video, so you can actually take a look at my trades I took in the past. And yeah, and actually there's something new that showed up yesterday here. If you use this coupon code, you can have 50% discount. So I don't know, this is something new. I just saw that yesterday. So for first 2 months, oh nice. Ooh, I get a month subscription for free. Sweet. All right, so yeah, I guess that's it. But Trixie is really good, man. Trixie, and the cool thing with Trixie, look at this. The cool thing with Trixie, you can actually put it full screen, and you can do the replay mode. So you can do this even if you don't have the replay mode on TradingView. You can do it on Trixie, which is kind of cool. You can do that. What else can you do? You can import your chart directly from TradingView. I mean, there's tons of things. And the cool thing with TradingView also, it's not a screenshot. You can actually go from time frame to time frame and see what happened in different time frame, right? So yeah. So that would be the advice here. Sasha, you need to get out of the snowflake. Oh, yeah. Same question. Oh. GG session today. Just made me lose. Damn, GG just made me lose 0.8%. I'll just leave. How did you lose 0.8%? There's no trade at this time. FX like Mike. Oh, so you like the RV, man? Yeah, RV is the shit, man. You can go everywhere. Now I have a nice trailer. I have a pretty nice trailer. But next step is the RV. Interview time. Oh yeah. What are those tools, Sasha? Please share. Yeah, well, I mean, if you watch my live stream, you're gonna see I got tons of live stream in on YouTube, right? So hey, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give a like to the stream. So let's here, smash that like button. Man, I'm trying to read pretty much all. I'm trying, guys. Like the description, salad, because that's what we are supposed to be doing. Okay. You took a losing trade already. Ouch. Who's that? I don't know. Does your Black Bull MT4 account show balance in CAD? Oh yeah, you can choose your balance in CAD or USD. Depends what you want. Someone took Nick Sean course. I don't know. The guy seems pretty cool. This Trixie free. Trixie's free for your first 15 days. After that, I think it's $7 or $8 a month, something like that. How do I get into the website you just put up? Oh, it's trixie.trade. Trixie.trade. Where can I find your course? I mean, it's right here. fxdogsacademy.com. Boom, right here. So that's it. Let's go back to tricks. Oh shit. Let's go back here. What kind of setup are you waiting for GA buy? I'm waiting for this candle to close bullish, right? So I'm waiting for this candle to close bullish or H1 to close bullish to establishing support, right? So the next 24 minutes, we'll know. Like the stream, like. Okay, thank you, Rage. Looking at GG, respect that fib level. Yes. Oh, yes. Fire emoji. I like the fire emoji. I'm 10 pips up on GJ. Oh, awesome, man. GJ gonna buy up again around 149.10. 149.10. Oh, you think it's gonna dip a little lower? Maybe. Then why you are okay? Previous resistance, now support. Yes. Previous resistance. Yes. Any advice for funding talent traders? Any advice for funding talent traders? I don't know. What kind of advice do you want? Do you ever take impulse entry trade? Only when there's volume in the market. So if you heard me saying that before I was saying only in the NY Open and NYSC Open, but yesterday I had a slap in my face and I have to realize that I need to adjust my rules by when I was saying and was because some people actually ask question about that, right? I was saying to people I'm only gonna take impulse entry when there's NY Open volume and NYSC volume. The reason why it's really simple is because there's volume in the market, right? But when you have a big candle printing, this is an indication that there's volume in the market, right? So next time that I see that, I'm gonna allow myself to take an impulse entry because yesterday I missed a good one. But yeah, so technically I only take impulse when there's volume in the market. So let's say around 5:30, 6 a.m. most of the time there's no volume. If I see a big candle printing, now I know there's volume. But that's the only time I take an impulse entry. If GG forms support, where will be your TP? Probably gonna secure some profit at resistance and gonna let the rest run. And TP probably gonna be that next major QP here at 150. And secure another probably 50% of this daily resistance right here. What do I think of this chart? Let's take a look. There we go. Oh, what else? What happened here? Oh, wrong chart, I guess. Let's try again. Yeah. No, your chart doesn't work. Steve. So Steve, if you want to send your chart, you need to press on the camera and you need to select from the \X to the end. Why not wait to candle for close? Oh, most of the time I wait for candle to close. But sometimes there's so much volume that you're going to miss the move. Looking for a close above 380 with that minor 30-minute resistance. 380. Yes, makes sense. Head and shoulder formation on 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes a week confirmation time frame. But yes, I can see it right here. Head, shoulder, shoulder. You can see it on the 30-minute also. So 30-minute slowly is gonna maybe print that right shoulder, but we gotta wait. We cannot anticipate that. We need to trade what we see, not what we think, right? And what I see right now is price trying to mirror this move, forming support right at a previous support in the golden zone. So that's what I see right now. How much spread and funding talent? Well, it depends on your broker you choose. There's probably like a list of, I don't know how many brokers, but 10, 12. They got many brokers there. The one I was with was Tickmill, and the spread was pretty good. It was actually really good. Hey man, do you ever go to lower time frame to get an entry? I feel like I confuse myself going lower than 30 minutes. Yes, no, I don't. I take a look at it to see what's happening, but I sneak peek, I look, all right, cool, but I grab my entry on 30-minute or 1 hour. There's too much noise in those small time frame. What is my average stop loss? It's probably around average 12 pips, I should say. So Steve, let's try it again. All right. Here we go. Oh, let's remove that smashing hand here. All right. This is GJ, 30 minutes. Sell below 148, 125. Nah, no, not in a bullish trend like this. Buys bullish, clean buy above 149, 550. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, I can see trade coming here, Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Yeah. So basically, yes, it makes sense. But again, you're going to be trying to buy, you're buying a top, so. Thank you for the stream. Oh, you're welcome, Ibrahim. Hey, Sasha, do you manage risk like Raja do? Like closing half when price retraces back to your entries? Sometimes, yes, most of the time. But if I take my trade based on the 30-minute, I will wait for that 30-minute to act, so I'm not going to be looking at 15 minutes. So that's probably the difference. Sasha, so when 30-minute or 1 hour candle close bullish, you just press buy or sell or waiting until wick is passed? If the candle is big like this, I just press buy or sell, But if it's a small body candle, I'm probably going to wait to break the high or break the low. This is coming from Iron Man. So let's take a look here. Hey, I hope you're feeling better, dude. Oops. Oh, I'm missing a backslash here, that's why. Hold on, wait a second. Let's go back here. Let's try this again. Oh, it's not working. So maybe you copy paste your link here, but you need to in the camera from \x to the end. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's me. I don't know. I'm new to the channel. Do you tell us when to execute? This is not a signal room. So this is not a signal room. I'm gonna tell you what I see, what I'm doing. but if you feel that it makes sense for you, you actually take action. How do you set stop loss after bullish engulfing? But really easy, under this bullish engulfing. So let's say that I'm about to enter this trade, let's say, okay, but now it's not gonna enter now because just this candle is way too big right now. I mean, this candle is like what? And let's say I enter here, my stop is like 20 pips. So probably I'm gonna use like 15 pips stop loss, fix one. Or sometimes I look at the 15-minute, I go under the previous 15. But in this case, it's the same amount of pips. So probably going to use a fixed stop loss of 15, like right around the middle of the 30-minute candle. So especially now that, I mean, it's close to 8 a.m. We should start getting some NY open volume. So yeah. First time here because Wisdom Lies and streaming today. Great stream, Sasha. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if it's your first time, so you know next time we go live. Don't forget to give a like to the stream too. I mean, we got close to 600. I mean, we passed 600 people, so we should get at least 500 likes, guys. Come on. Let's get to 500. We can do it. Let's get to 500 now. Come on. Yeah, maybe Ironman, maybe you want to send it back because I don't know why it wasn't working. Okay, so I guess I just answered that question here. Okay, how can I connect to Zoom session even if it is a money? Oh, it's only for students, the Zoom session. Sorry. Yeah, I trade live with my student every day. I feel weird not listening to Raja background music when watching a Forex stream. Yeah, that's something I need to do. I completely forgot. I actually downloaded some music from YouTube. I need to actually figure out how to play it. Here's a gold chart. All right, gold chart. Took sell on gold because of this downtrend, but I'm worried this trade might not work out. I think this because the daily time frame is in a range. What do you think? This is only 4 hours. Okay. This is only 4 hours. Yeah, I think that that's the thing. You know, if you look at 4 hours, the entry was, where is my thing? What the hell happened to this? What? Why is my toolbars now on the on the other side? Man, I'm so not techie. I'm like, what? Anyways. Alright, so let's do this. So you see this entry was right here on 4 hours. So anything lower, I mean, it's going to be hard because now you're selling into the actual move. The entry was, where is my square? Oh, here. The entry was right here. Boom. You got the resistance form, boom, enter the next candle. And this trade is like what, 120 pips profit. So yeah. Because right now it's trying to sell right now, just like you're almost, you know, at the, I don't know. I don't like selling a low and buying a top. Just I do it if there's a lot of volume, but if not, I'm trying to wait for a better move, right? So this is my new thing this year. It's less quantity, better quality. So, and doing that, I'm gonna be missing a lot of move, of course, and I'm gonna be okay with that. GG is a mess, and GA, yes. Are you waiting for the close of this candle, or we could take an impulse entry on the break of the last high? Hey, bye, Francesco. Take care. If you take a look at GJ right now, I mean, it's gonna close in 9 minutes on the 1 hour. We gotta wait and see how it's gonna close. 30-minute, 1 hour. I think based on 1 hour makes totally sense. If it closes with a nice size, like kind of like this, above this previous resistance here, I think it makes sense. Stop under here and ride it up. What about GA? GA. Yeah, GA is, now I don't know. I don't like what I see here. This is a mess right here. So in this case, now I gotta wait for break above. This is a good example that you want to buy above here and not in there, you know. Okay, let's see here. I like your trade idea better than Raj. Oh, thanks. All right, 358 likes, almost there, guys. Almost to 500. Let's go. Let's remove this. All right, let's go. Yeah, GP pound, GP AUD. Sorry, annual budget release. Yes. No, it's G. Isn't it GJ? Actually, it's a pound. It's a UK. So anything. Yeah. How much you risk per trade? I risk between 0.5 to 3%. Is 2% risk for $200 account okay? Yeah, 2% on any account is okay. Sasha, just let you know, GPP news with the Chancellor live now with budget. Oh, nice. So nice. Let's wait and see. Oh yes, this red arrow is brought to you by Mark the Stash. So yes, spotting this previous support here that this wick is rejecting this area. So yeah, and we got news coming in. Let's see. GJ Sell, check journal if you can. GJ Sell.
Sur Forex Factory, ça dit que le budget qui a été sorti à 7h35 AM. Mais j'ai comme pas de données. Peut-être que Phil, il pourrait nous sortir son Bloomberg Station pour nous dire tout ça.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Bloomberg?
Yeah, give us some insight from Bloomberg, you bastard.
Alright, let me open it up.
Damn, ouais, on est choyés, là.
Alright. So let's get that Bloomberg terminal going. Alright, so let's see here what we got for GJ. 15 minutes. Clean candle, broke support. Clean candle, close support. 2 entered at the new 15-minute candle breaking previous candle. Right here. Whoo, we got a cowboy in the house. Aim for price to drop at least 10 pips. Yes. Yeah, I think that was super duper risky. But yeah, man, it worked. So good job. It's not something I would be looking at, but yeah, it worked. When you do a counter trend trade, it's really important to secure profits. You know, don't hope for much more than that. Let's see here. What else? What is my name? Well, my name is on the screen right here. It's just like, oh, maybe my IG name? All right, let's do this. My IG name is that. This is my IG name. Thank you all. Appreciate support. Yeah, hold sells. Do you care for 15-minute candles? No. I just focus on 30 minutes. Too many losses on 15 minutes. I've seen you, Rajabang Zoom session, and now you are practicing your knowledge, doing well. Thank you, thank you. Can you give me some feedbacks on USD CAD? Oh, USD CAD. Interesting. Interesting. USD CAD. USD CAD. J'ouvre mon Bloomberg, ça va pas long. Okay. Bias is sell as there are clear candle on the left. Long-term trend is down. Yeah, I think you have a great opportunity right here to sell, actually. I didn't take a look at any chart on CAD, but I think you got a nice retracement up to retest that new low that got formed. So if it was me, I would be trying to look for resistance form right around here and to actually retest that low. Yep. Looks like it's rejecting that area. We may start ranging from here, sadly. Yes. It's too bad. Yo, Sasha, CV. What's CV? I don't know. Thank you to you and your Français brother for the stream and input. Oh, thanks, man.
CV, c'est curriculum vitae.
Ouais, c'est ça. USD and CAD news coming up. Yes. Do you feel you have stronger confirmation on the 30-minute than 15-minute? Oh man, you have no idea. Man, my win ratio has increased so much since I focus on 30 minutes. Low, the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. Yes. Oh, CV, c'est ça va. Ok, ça va bien.
Je vais ajouter ça à mon...
Je vais l'ajouter à mon répertoire. Not risking my money today. Market going ugly. Yeah. Here's all fucked up. Okay. Oh man, we almost at 400 likes. Almost there. Buy not looking promising anymore. It depends. It changed fast, man. GJ is quick. But looking at 1 hour, oh yeah, no, it's small. 30 minutes still engulfing with huge rejection to the upside though. Yeah, I don't like that. Boom, boom, boom.
J'ai mon Bloomberg app, the news here. You guys want me to read it?
Yeah, let's read that Bloomberg
now, right? So he's saying the current budget is balanced in normal times. They forecast a 4% GDP expansion in 2021. The budget deficit will be about 2.9% of GDP in 2024, 2025. They're basically saying they will still have stimulus for the rest of 2021 in the upcoming years as well. So Sunak is the guy talking. He says, without corrective action, the borrowing will remain high for the remaining time. Sunak extends aid for jobs, saying UK recovery to take time until 2022, 2023. So nothing crazy. Basically saying that there's gonna be more stimulus, and they're most likely not gonna change the rates for at least 2023. So somehow the same thing for UK right now.
Okay, so nothing changed.
Nothing crazy like big headline. Usually Bloomberg tells you like when something crazy comes up, it's in red. And the only one I have in red is Sunak will continue UK business rate holiday until June. Not really, meaning just like a break for businesses to pay a certain amount of debt, I think.
Yeah.
And UK will keep reduced value-added tax rate through September 30th.
So basically,
so
basically, if nothing changed, that should be positive, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Man, it's still ongoing. He's still talking because I'm still getting some headlines. So just have that in the back of your head if you're going in a trade. Maybe like cut your risk in half or don't go like full margin.
Yeah.
There you go. That was my little minute of
Nice one, man. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for the Bloomberg terminal.
Yes, sir, Miller.
Yes, sir, Miller. All right. So what else? Yeah. Okay. I got that. Here. Let's try to see if this worked now. From Iron Man. Oh, okay. Here we go. So got this wick here. Okay. This is GJ 60 minute. Oh yeah. Okay. So you want it because you're targeting this wick, no? Like this one here. Well, it's actually not bigger than. Yeah, I understand what you're saying. Interesting. Like this one here. Well, this is 30 minute though. So now if this candle breaks the low, I mean, this stage, I mean, for me, sells is not valid for me. I'm not saying it cannot work, but I mean, I have this support right here, you know, so, I mean, this minor support. So, I didn't mark it down, but I see it. So, yeah. I think that if price respect this low, well, let's see, is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? Stava?
Mark has to go to work.
Yeah, same. Je viens de post dans le chat. I'm leaving now.
No, I'm not leaving. You're leaving. I'm saying bye.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Oh, okay. Bye, Mark. Take care.
Buddy.
All right. All right. Let's see here. Price. Blah blah blah. The other day, Armin said that's for go by and then it melt. Okay. I agree. Sales are risky, especially since the overall trend is really bullish. Yes. Hey Sasha, look at gold. Yeah, it's melting. That's exactly what I was saying just before. I actually said that, if you remember correctly. I said here 30 minute. Yeah. Because I tried to find an entry here, you know, in this golden zone. And it's gonna melt. And of course, it actually melt pretty badly. Holy! That's crazy.
That could have been a good trade on gold. I hope people took it when it broke the low of the previous candle.
Yeah. So for GJ, if a break is on high right now, probably gonna enter a small position. Wow, that was loud. So that would give me like, let's say on 1 hour. 1 hour. If I put it under the previous 1 hour, it's gonna give me probably around like a 10, 11 pips stop loss kind of probably. But I want to make sure it breaks its own high. So far, this 30 minute doesn't have any wick, and we're forming that bottom wick in the first couple minutes of this new candle, which is great, which is awesome. We need to respect the previous low. But if it broke the previous low, of course, this trade is invalid. But I'm looking to break its own high here. So if it comes back to this entry, probably going to be interested, because it's going to be a nice rejection to the downside and push back up. But if it continues going down, I'm not interested. Um, and I'm gonna wait for a better opportunity. So that's it. Less quantity, better quality. GA.
By the way, Sasha, not sure if you saw it, but I found MT4, MT5 code for your QPs.
Oh, nice.
They will be automatic on your MT5.
Can you post it in our Discord?
Already done, buddy.
Oh, great. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so GA 30 minute is starting to break this zone now. Why is this zone there? I don't get it. This is my zone from yesterday. Yeah. So we need to make sure we break above this. And I think GA can be a good buy after that. Yes. Alright, so GJ is invalid now, so let's just wait for a better opportunity. GA, I think GA was pretty good on the break of that high, right here, right at resistance with the NY open volume coming in. I think you can expect price to continue up. So I think that if you took that long position here, so let's say put your stop kind of right around here, 14 pips, you can aim that next QP, which is almost a 1-for-1. I think that can be pretty good. Didn't take it, but I think that can work. I'm gonna leave it there just to see if it works. All right, man. Almost 400 likes, man. Almost there. Missing 27 likes. Come on. But the problem now is I cannot put music, because last time YouTube gave me problem because I had some music on the stream. Even just with my little anthem, which is Who Let the Dogs Out, I mean, for 10 seconds music, they kind of banned my stream. I was like, really? It's like, give me a break there. So it looks like, yeah, GJ is coming down.
Makes sense, though.
I want to make sure we hold that, let's see here.
If people took the break of the previous candle and impulsive trade, that's they got their 10 pips right there.
Oh yeah. So
wow.
Phew, it's melting.
Wow.
But I feel like this coming down to pick up orders to push back up.
Yeah. Holy. Congrats to those who took it. 20 pips right there.
Let's see if we can respect that. Oh, what the hell? It's right here. Sorry. So this safety net right here. So you know what? I'm going to put an orange line just to know where is my safety net here. Let's put it orange and let's remove this. Where can I go into trade? Where can I go into trade? I don't know what kind of question is that. I don't know. People keep on asking on Raja. Guys, ask him the question. I have no clue. I didn't spoke to him yesterday. What do you think about you? Well, Sasha. Okay, let's see. Thank you. Someone says, well, Sasha. Thank you. All right, so let's take a look. Let's take a look at this. This is gold. There we go. I knew some dog's gonna catch that. Awesome, man. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome, my friend. Good job. Here we go. Ustreams beats on Spotify. It's on copyright music. Oh, really? Stream beats. Okay, I'll take a look at that. Definitely. You know what? I'm gonna mark that down. Stream beats. Where's my pen? Stream beats. Stream beats. All right. Thank you, man. Oh, BBK, what's up, buddy? Should hold, otherwise we are going down. Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah, 100 should hold, which is actually my safety net also on the fib level. That should hold. Pretty sure that it's coming down to pick up more orders. You know, it's gonna start rejecting. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. All right, so let's see here. Wasn't there? GBP news today was good or bad? It was as usual. So basically, nothing changed. So technically, it should be positive if nothing changed, right? Sasha kind of married but is biased. Sasha kind of married is biased. No, I didn't marry my bias. It's just like, do you see what I see here? Do you see any sell idea here? I mean, just like, come on, dude. It's gonna be a sell if you break the structure, you know. But right now, I mean, the trend is bullish, so it's not married my bias, just being logic. We're coming to the end of the month. Non-farm payroll at quarterly reports. Yes, that's Friday. Friday is an FPE. Got it on gold on the 5-minute grab 10 pips and then got it at BE before it tanked further. Oh, nice. We got news, that's why it goes down hard. Yeah, that's okay. It's going to pick up more orders, buying orders, and push back up. And if it continue down, it continue down, right? GA burned. Wait. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at this. Almost at TP here on GA. Yeah, that's pretty good. TJ go down hard. Okay. What do you think of this AUD USD setup? Oh. AUD USD. I think that is going to be one of the first time I look at this pair.
My spread is massive.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
My spread's at 3-4 pips.
Spread is at, oh yeah, my spread is at 2 pips ish right now.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty big. Interesting. So I guess Frederick Omega is like kind of maybe a kid, I guess. Drawing penis. I think it's, yeah. I guess you find it fun. News tend to retrace, yes. Respecting the trend line, yeah. I don't use trend line, but yes, I can see it, right here. So if people use trend line, here is one just for you. Whoops, what the hell I did. Trend line, boom. Kind of right like this, right? So, buy cheap and sell expensive economy. Yes, basic, right? Hello, would you mind to check if I do... Hold on. Would you mind to check if I do that trade correct or no on GJ? Yeah, send your chart. Alright, let's take a look. Gold continue melt. Yeah, I think the entry was pretty good here on the on this H4. Man, that was great. Wow, that 5-minute candle, man, just melt. Shit, that's crazy, man. Gold is so freaking wild. Look at this.
Gold's a different beast. Holy. 150 pips in 50 minutes.
That is insane, man. Man. And people wanted to take buys here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Something must have came up, no?
There's some... I heard some bumping somewhere, so I don't know.
Well, that would be the other way, right? There's a bomb. Gold go up. Gold declines as treasury yields rise and ETF route deepens.
So it look like we're forming support here on that 5-minute. But 5-minute is super duper weak confirmation. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. Man, I want to see a huge rejection. Can we get to 149, I guess? Probably gonna hit that QP and reverse, maybe.
What's your 149 or 106? What's that line?
This one? It's my safety net on the fib.
Okay.
Yeah, safety net on the fib level. Can you see GA? Yes. Mike? GJ forming head and shoulders? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. If it closed like this, yes. So if this one closed like this, now we have a head and shoulders. But so far, we don't have one.
If gold goes below 1700, it's the lowest it's been since June.
Oh, GA reached full TP. Boom. Thank you. So hopefully someone got that buy right here on the break of the high, expecting NY open volume to push up and targeting this major QP, secure profits, let the rest run, and let's go. Actually went to 25 pips. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Right. I think that GA trade was pretty good.
might have been ADP as well, right? There was ADP today.
Yeah.
Zero. Not a single new job.
What?
When the forecast was 177K, numbers came at zero.
Steel FX. Hey Sasha, remember my call this morning? LOL on gold. Did you call sell? Yes.
It's the other way around, Sasha. Sunset mid, the forecast, it was lower than that.
Oh yeah?
That's why it went down.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Head and shoulders on 30 minute and 1 hour? Yes, coming up on GJ. But you gotta wait for a close, right? We cannot anticipate that. We gotta wait. We got 9 minutes left into this candle. Sasha, you are in G8. No. I put the thing there because I called it. I didn't took it. I called it, but yeah, I didn't take it. I was looking to give my trade a second chance on GJ, but looks like it's not gonna happen. But not for now, actually. Let's see here. 100 pips. I am down for the week. No NFP this month. Thank you and have a great day. That's amazing, man. Amazing. Good job. If you paid attention in the chat, I've been talking about. Oh, okay. I don't know. You guys. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. You do realize head and shoulder is a reversal pattern and it already formed as it based on the neckline. Okay, so let me try to help you here. So do you realize that a head and shoulder is formed once this candle formed, when this candle closed? Let's say this candle flip bullish. Do we have a head and shoulders? The answer is no. Okay, so you gotta wait for this to close to confirm that right shoulders, because at this stage we don't have a right shoulder. So boom, same idea here on H1. Try not to catch falling knife yet it keep falling. Yeah, that's fine. It's rejecting as expected so far. See, didn't broke previous low here on the 15 minutes. Start rejecting this safety net on the fib level, and yeah. Does somebody gives free signals so I can learn? Let me tell you, Susanna, the worst thing you can do to yourself is trying to learn with signals. Signals will not help you. Signals will blow your account, you know? So that's something very, very important. We discuss trade idea. We show how we take it, what we see, but this is not a signal room. Because I think signal don't work. You know, signal's just gonna blow your account. And you're not gonna be learning. So looking at it right now, as I was explaining earlier, price came down to pick up more orders and now start reject that safety net. So yeah, I mean, gotta wait. I think that was explained, right? But when people start to see those big candles, suddenly they kind of freak out. It's like, oh my gosh, it's a sell, it's a sell, it's a sell, it's a sell. And no, it's not. It might be turning into a sell, but it's not confirmed it's a sell, you know. At this stage, the candle is open. People are screaming head and shoulders. There's no shoulders so far. We got 4 more minutes to confirm that. What? Sorry? Okay. How can I enter a second chance on GJ? As I said, if we break his own high, I'm gonna grab a buy, and yeah, gotta wait and see here. I'm actually probably gonna grab a 0.5% on that retracement here. Ouch, that was loud. So place my stop at 12 pips. Yeah, around 12 pips. Because I'm not expecting price to come back down, right? Because if we come back down, I mean, at this stage, the trade is invalid, right? So, but I only enter a very, very, very small risk. And I'm going to enter my regular risk if we break this on high. But that's it. This is really risky taking an entry on that retracement. So, only do it if you have experience. All right, let's see here. Sasha, I'm a new trader. Can you please explain what do you mean by picking up orders on GJ? Oh, okay. So when price goes up or down, you know, price comes down and there's some buyers who wants to grab orders at a certain price, right? So price comes down, there's people leaving the trade, some people entering the trade. So there's some orders being picked up at this price and now start to push up. But that's really basic. So you can go on babypips.com. You can read on that. Babypips.com.
GG was the call. I don't understand why you didn't get into it.
Oh, I got in. Oh, GA. Oh, yeah. No, GA, yeah. Because I was so focused on GJ that but.
That was amazing. Wow.
Yeah. I'm just about to say F you to GJ and just focus on GA.
Oh.
Lately, GA's been so good to me. So good to me, GA.
You gotta take care of your wife first.
Look at this, man. Look at GA.
The mistress is down to you.
40 pips, man. Stops at break even at this stage, right? If you took that trade and, you know, enjoying it. All right, so let's take a look here. I'm missing some chat here. All right, I like this candle here. I like this huge bullish pressure here. So, so by the way, I grabbed the second entry. Let's put that on the screen. Long position. So I got one entry at 288. 288. Right here.
On my way. It's quick.
Probably getting that wick fill actually. But I'm gonna move my stop at break even at 11 pips. And yeah. So let's place auto BE. Boom. And let's go. Partial TP. Let's put it at the top of that wick, kind of right here. Let's go. Alright, c'est assez risqué avec les news de ce matin. Le budget n'est pas encore sorti pour GPP. Ah oui, on l'a eu. On l'a eu parce qu'on a Phil ici qui est le Bloomberg Terminal. Donc, on est correct de ce côté-ci, Jean-Frédéric. Principalement, rien de changé sur le budget. Donc, techniquement, ça devrait être une nouvelle positive.
More stimulus coming, maybe a little bit, but nothing major.
We need some likes on the live stream. Oh yes, we're at 395. Man, can we reach 500 before the end of the stream? Woo! We got 30 minutes left. GJ going to the moon? Oh, probably. I don't know. We gotta wait. Sasha, can you please explain what the yellow box and how to use it? The yellow box is the golden zone, which is the fib rejection in the 618, between 50 and 618. So all right, so I got 10 pips, I got 11 pips, 12 pips. Thank you very much. All right, so here we go. So that first entry is at went to 11 pips. All right, secure some profits and let's go.
Well, that was quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got into. I did what we talked about last night. So fixed lot.
Yeah.
Pretty happy already.
There we go.
Yeah, man. Oh, it's gonna go back to my. Ça va me sortir des. I closed some, thank God.
Yeah, that's it. I closed 50% at 11 pips.
Merci, bonsoir. That literally took like 2 minutes.
Yeah, I know. That was quick. That was quick, man. That was really quick.
Damn.
But technically, you should get more juice.
Yeah.
With that huge rejection to the downside, man, we should get more juice than that. But we still have no wick at the bottom, though. So we might come down, create a bottom wick, and push back up after. What about GA? GA, man. GA. Pff, Jesus, that was the trade.
Yeah.
God damn. Hopefully you guys in the gulag grab that.
Mais you know, it was with the budget coming out, like it wasn't. Comme c'était pas prudent de prendre un gros risque dessus non plus.
No, exactly.
I feel like if there were no budget, you would have took this 3% risk easy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The only thing I have that is different now from the budget is that they're gonna raise corporate taxes to 25% in 2023, but
Okay.
it's in 2 years, so it doesn't change anything much right now. Mais c'est pas surprenant qu'ils vont monter les taxes des corporations pour payer pour la dette qu'ils ont échue. Right?
Boom, boom, boom.
Should be a new anthem, Sasha. Now, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ouais, moi, je suis comme il y en a B for the runs that I had.
Ouais.
I know you had a better entry than me, so.
No, it's good, man. It was good. I think it was definitely very good. Yeah. Alright, so this trade got out at break even for the runners. Oh no, not even. Whew, very close to it though. Shit. Wow. I guess I got saved by the spread, I guess. Alright, so let's see here.
Oh, yeah, for real.
Do we have any more comments here? Oh shit. We have tons of comments here. Sasha, after watching you trade for one day, I want to buy your mentorship. You seem like an amazing trader. Oh, thank you very much, Justin. Thank you. Very appreciate the kind word. News. New 30-minute candle has no down wick. Be aware, Mr. Dupont. Yes, BBK. Yes. That's
Mr. Dupont.
Yes, I like it. Yes, I was actually saying that we might form a bottom wick, and after that start pushing back up, or we're gonna continue down. I don't know. We'll see. But I think with this huge rejection here to the downside, this should give fuel to the price to continue up, right? So that's my thinking. Ibrahim, I think this breakout was just from money collectors to hit stop loss for buyers. Yeah, it was basically a liquidity wick, right? So that's what it was. Come on, you said you will dance at 400 likes. Don't back up. Oh, did we hit? Oh, shit. We hit 400 likes. God damn. I'm going to have to dance. All right, we're going to do that. I guess we're going to have to do that. Oh, shit. But the weird thing is I cannot play music. Oh, somebody says... Hold on. Let's try to find some music. Someone says stream beats. Hopefully, man, my stream doesn't get deleted because of that, right? Stream beats. But how do I know it's really... It doesn't say it's copyright free or... Stream beats. I'm trying to find a song here. Because dancing with new music, it's kind of hard. Oh, you know what? I can mute myself. Put music, which is going to be super weird because you're going to see me dance with no music, which is even... Actually, this is weird. But yeah. I guess that's something we can try. Les Canadiens ont relevé Stéphane Waite de ses fonctions. Shit.
Yeah. So stupid.
I know.
Isn't it? Like, I don't get it. Like, c'est pas sa faute à Waite, this price, il y a une mauvaise semaine. I find that so stupid.
I know, je sais. Mais là, c'est parce qu'il change tout, là. C'est juste pour ça.
That must feel even worse. Price was with him for 8 years. Damn. Sorry, I'm getting pissed. I'm a goalie too, so like, you know,
anyways. Sorry. Okay, so let's try to do this. Okay, man. I better hit 500 likes after that dance, man. Man, I'm gonna look so retarded. Oh shit, I can't believe I'm gonna do this. Okay, let me try to find a song. And which is super weird because you guys not gonna hear that song. So let's do I don't know. Hey, you know what? Let's do our Who Let the Dogs Out. So basically, guys, go on your Spotify, and you need to put Who Let the Dogs Out, right? Who Let the Dogs Out. So you can listen to with me at the same time, right? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it.
Anything for the subscribers.
Oh fuck, man. Can't believe I did that.
Sasha, machine.
I can't believe I just did that. Oh man, oh man. Man, I better hit 500 likes with that. Holy. GA, man. I feel like I'm gonna cry, man. Look at GA. God damn. Bro, did I call it or what? Shit. 50 pips, bro. And I'm stuck with that GJ's BS. Yeah, man. GA's been so nice to me lately. I think I'm gonna look more at GA.
File divorce paper with the wife and.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the divorce paper with GJ. Justin Banks. Oh yeah, I read that already. Oh, by the way, if you want cause someone asked before, so I'm gonna write it down here. Well, it's anyways, it's F. Yeah, let me write it down. It's gonna be easier, I guess. Let's put it.
Kind of... I have to go. So
all right, take care, buddy.
YouTube, but I have to go, so on se parle demain.
All right, take care.
Next stream.
Thank you.
Ciao, guys. Ciao, Guillaume. Ciao, Devin. Ciao, Francesco. Ciao.
Okay, me.com. Right? FX. Yeah, that should do it. Yeah, that's the website here, I guess. Yes. So I'm gonna leave it there for a second because my goal is not to promote the course. It's not the goal of the stream, but 2-3 people per person asked it. So here it is. If you want to pause your screen, and I'm gonna remove it in 3, 2, 1. There we go. All right. So let's go. I think this is breakup. Blah blah blah. We went over this. There's our 4. How can we? Oh, because we were over 500 before. Yeah, we were like, I think around like 700 if I'm not wrong. Sasha, when your trade is in profits, how do you know when to secure? Oh, you need to fix your... I always secure profits around 10, 11 pips. So this is something I always do on my end. Okay, let me see here something. Yeah, so that runner, by the way, that runner is dead, obviously. Boom, so that runner is gone. Boom, 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 boom. So what about H1? Oh, H1's not closed yet. We got 15 minutes left. So let's see. Man, GA was so nice. Oh well. I'm gonna journal that and make sure I don't miss it next time. Sasha, when you trade, okay, perfect. I answered that. And the other thing where to secure is I always secure at 10, 11 pips. And after that, I look for the next resistance or support. And that's going to become another target, or sometimes going to target the QP, right? So that's going to be that's going to be some of my targets also. Or sometimes going to be the wick fill. It's all something I go into the course, right? GA best pair, so smooth. Yes, I've started to really, really like GA. Oh, someone says peace out, Phil. I'm late. Sorry, guys. Yeah, Phil left. GJ crash incoming. I don't think so. So far, we don't have anything that can confirm sells so far. So far, not much confirmation for sells. Gotta wait. We gotta wait. If this one closed bearish, now it's going to be a nice indication for sells. Especially that now we can say that we have this kind of head and shoulders, yeah. So, but at this stage right now, there's no confirmation. That's great. You can share ideas with those traders to learn more. Just be careful. Don't be scammed by other. Oh, I don't know if the message was for me. It was on. Okay. Okay. This. Have you tried to trade GJ on M5 with oh no. No, 5 minutes is just too weak of a confirmation for me. The only pair I look at 5 minutes is gold. Someone has a pending under 149.200. Oh, okay. So I guess you just got that sell just got triggered. Yeah, 200 right here. So yeah, you got triggered. You're probably like 1 or 2 pips in profit now. Good job. Forex can be manipulated by the banks as it is the banks. That's what the foreign exchange market are. Banks doing international business for currency, yes. Everyone else is just a guest in their workplace. It's like saying a janitor is manipulating trash because you decide to pick up a broom. I like it. I like that. That's pretty good. Oh, Mike, he closed GJ. Yeah, you should have closed way before that. Yeah, you should have closed way before that. When it comes back to your entry, you should have been like at BE, at break even. Oh, Mike, I wasn't putting the music because the stream, YouTube. We're streaming today on YouTube, so I just want to make sure that the stream doesn't get banned from YouTube since I was using music and copyrights. Forex trade may not be the way you look at it, but if that last candle wasn't a fake out, a liquidity grab, it break out at 149, 151 and got past 149, 100. Yeah, maybe. But again, we are trending bullish, respecting the trend. Huge rejection to the downside. I mean, at this stage, for me, there's no confirmation for sells. Even with this candle here, it's a small body candle, so this is not strong enough to confirm sells. Yeah. Now, if this H1 closed bearish, this is a different story. If this H1 closed bearish, now we got a nice resistance on H1, which is a completely different story. But am I going to sell? No, because I'm going to stay out of it. I'm going to wait for a better opportunity because I want to trade with the trend most as possible. Sometimes I'm going to grab some counter trend trade sometimes when it's obvious, you know. I want the easy stuff. I want something I can win, right? So I'm lazy. I don't want the hard stuff. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Sorry, guys. I had to mute myself. All right. So today, 2 trade in loss at GJ. Oh man, how is that possible? We just grabbed a win, Mike. God damn. Maybe you're being a little too greedy there. Yeah, that's why you need to. Yes, yes. So yeah, you need to. Entry too late? Oh, FOMO. So FOMO and greed will destroy your execution, you know? So everything's in execution. So FOMO and greed will destroy that. So you got to make sure you enter at the right time and you exit at the right time. And to help you with that, hopefully you got a magic key. Oh yes, you have a magic key. So you put your partial TP right away. As soon as you enter your trade, put your partial TP. Don't touch it. And after that, if it hit it, right? So, and what I do, if I want to grab a little bit more pips, what I do, I put my auto break even at 10 pips. I'm going to put my partial, let's say, at 15. So even if it retraced after, I'm retraced at break even. I'm not going to let a winner transform into a loser. This is super important, guys. This is super important. Especially if you're like 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9 pips in profit, and now you return to negative. This is, man, come on. You got a winner there. Don't let that winner turn into a loser. All right, so someone's getting banned because this guy's spamming this chat. USD CAD, if 5 minute, please. Dude, send your chart. And stop spamming the chat, please. All All right, so let's see here. What else we got? Um, will I buy again? Only if I have a strong confirmation, and right now I don't. So plus this 4 hours is gonna close now. This 4 hours is gonna close bearish, so gotta be very careful. Da-da-da-da-da-da. All right, so let's see here. We buy again. USD CAD. GA Sasha GJ in 4 hour looks like a break and retest. On 4 hour looks like a break and retest. Oh yes, yeah, you're right. Definitely break that 4 hour zone. Retest it. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, good catch on that one, Ibrahim. Yep. Sasha, what time you come online every day? I only go live on Tuesday and Thursdays usually. I did today because I received tons of message asking for a stream because Raja was not streaming. But most of the time I stream privately with my students. So we stream every day together live. We have a virtual trading floor that I leave open for the day, and people got to chat with each other and exchange ideas. And yeah. But when I come live, again, the schedule is on my banner on YouTube. So if you go on my main page on my channel, you see my banner, the schedule is right there. I'm going live tonight for Forex Talk over beer. It says in the description, 5:30 a.m. Eastern. Yes, exactly. And everything's written down in the description. But this morning we started later because, again, I was not supposed to have a stream. So we started at 6:30 this morning, but I usually start at 5:30. Thought on gold. New York session just began. Yes. Sasha, when did you get in longs? Oh, I went in when we got the retracement from this candle here. So I got in somewhere around here, I think. And I grabbed the second entry when we broke this body candle on this candle. And I secured that it was like 10 pips. How long will be streaming again for, Sasha? Probably like a couple minutes. I think if this closed like this, I think this could be a great opportunity to continue up now. It's a very nice support, engulfing one on 30-minute, also flipping bullish on 1 hour. Yeah, I think that looks good. Are you worried if you keep talking over a beer, you may become an over drinker? I love talk over a beer, just joking. Thanks, man. Yeah, I did that a couple of times on IG just for fun, and people kind of enjoyed it, so decided to continue doing it, right? So. So now a new candle just opened on the 30-minute. The previous one closed bullish. So technically we should start to form this bottom wick and continue up after that. Previous candle respected previous low, broke previous high. I mean, looking good for continuation to the upside. Boom, boom, boom. GG 1 hour looks like it's ready to close bullish. Oh yes, it did close bullish with a huge rejection to the downside. So that should give fuel to the candle to continue move up. Why do we look at various time frame? I tend to stick to H1 for analysis and taking trade. What do we analyze on smaller and higher time frame? Please advise. Oh, I think the best way is actually what you're doing. It's sticking to a higher time frame, like 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minute. But when you go on the lower time frame, it's to see entries, to pick up entries. So, but I think what you do, it's great. It's great. Boom, boom, boom. La 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 la. All right, guys. So I think this is the end of the stream for me. I mean, we are getting 9 o'clock. I need to get ready for work. So thank you very much for tuning in. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été là. And I see you tonight at Forex Talk over a beer. So don't forget to bring a drink with you. We're going to have fun. We're going to chit chat about Forex. We're going to break out and trade and go over Q&As. So I see you tonight. Thank you very much for tuning in.